Hi students, this is the last video in this lesson about the application of colloids. Colloids play an important role in our everyday life. Blood in our body, protoplasma of plants and animal cell, fats in our intestine or in the form of emulsions. Synthetic polymers like polystyrene, silicones and PVC are all colloids. Let us see the first application, that is food. Most of the food shapes are in the form of the colloids. Example, milk, butter and ice cream. The next is a medicine. Antibiotics such as penicillin, streptomycin are produced in colloidal form which are suitable for the injections. Colloidal gold and colloidal calcium are used as a tonic to improve the vitality of the human system. Milk of magnesia is used for stomach disorders. Silver salt, protected by gelatin, is known as argyrol, is used as a eye lotion. Next, colloids which are used in industrial purpose are water purification, washing, tanning of leather, rubber industry, sewage disposal, cartels precipitator, formation of delta, and analytical application. First, we'll see the water purification. Water is purified by alum. The alum is nothing but a double salt which contains a potassium and aluminium salts. Water contains the suspended impurities, that is clay particles, which are colloids. When alum is added to the water, alum contains the cations and anions, which coagulates the clay particles and then which is filtered to obtain the pure water. The next is the washing. The cleansing action of the soap is due to the formation of the emulsion of the soap molecules with the dirt and grease. Soap in water forms a micellar which leads to the aggregation of the soap molecules. It emulsifies the water and removes the oil and grease from the dirty surface. The next is a tanning of leather. The skin and hides are protein containing positively charged particles which are coagulated by adding tannin to give a hardened leather for the further applications. So instead of tannin, you can use a chromium for tanning. The chrome tanning can produce a soft and polishable leather. The animal skin, that is a positive colloid, soaked in a chemical negative colloid tannin, the skin gets hardened. The skin get hardened. This is known as a leather turning. Tanning. The leather, that is a hardened skin. So skin and tannin forms a mutual coagulation. The particles in the skin aggregates and becomes hard. The next is a in rubber industry. The latex is an emulsion of the natural rubber with the negative particles. The heating rubber with the sulfur, vulcanized rubber can be produced which are very hard, which are used for the tires and tubes. The latex which is obtained is in a negative colloid, which is a hydrosol. The solid rubber particles and water as a dispersion medium. The rubber is formed when latex is coagulated by the action of salts. The next is the sewage dispersal. The sewage contains the dirt, mud, and waste are dispersed in water. When electric current is passed, the waste materials are deposited. It is used as a manure. The raw sewage is screened in primary treatment. In primary treatment, the screened sewage is treated with a quick settling coagulants like alum, ferrous sulfate are added to remove the suspended inorganic and organic solids. Further, it is treated with water to made in contact with the anaerobic bacteria to remove the biodegradable organic impurities by the process such as trickling filter process, activated sludge process. activated sludge process. In this, the water is added with the lime and which is used as a disinfectant in the percolation tank to remove the phosphate impurities. Finally, the sludge from the primary treatment, secondary treatment, and tertiary treatment are collected, are dispersed by dumping in a low-lying areas or sea or by the incineration process. The next is a Cartel's precipitator. The carbon dust in air is solidified by Cartel's precipitator. A smoke with colloidal dust particles enters into the chamber, which contains an electrode, carbon electrode, with a high voltage electrode of 30,000 to 50,000 electrode volt. Pass. Current when the electricity is passed, the ash get precipitated or coagulates in the carbon electrode and precipitated here, leaving behind the gases which are free from the dust particle, and it is let into the chimney. The charge on the carbon is neutralized and solidified. Now the air is free from the carbon particle and let into the chimney for the further process. The next is the formation of the delta. When the electrolyte in the seawater comes in contact with the river water, coagulates the solid particles in river water at the intersection. The intersection point becomes a fertile. The next application is analytical application. Qualitative and quantitative analysis are based on the various properties of the colloids. The blue color sky in nature is due to Tyndall effect of the air particle. That is, Tyndall effect is the scattering of the light. The last application is the artificial rain. It is caused by spraying the oppositely charged colloidal dust or sand particles or silver salts over the clouds through the aeroplanes, which causes the artificial rain. Thank you.